beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! What a beautiful day on your very own island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching colour. That was off the rails. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. That's perfect! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we help pull? Great! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Oops! Let's have another go. Swipe left or right to keep that's the way. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Super! That was super!